Hi everyone, it's May here, and we are thrilled to announce that we've hit 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much to each and every one of you that has subscribed, watched our videos, and engaged with us. We couldn't have done it without you. As a token of our gratitude, we're excited to announce the winner of our Shiseido giveaway. And the winner is Jenny May. Please comment below and we will get in touch with you about the prize. And for those of you who are interested in skincare, I want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Expat Skincare. I share my experiences, tips, and advice for maintaining healthy and beautiful skin. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. And finally, I have some exciting news to share with you. Once I hit 100 subscribers on Expat Skincare, I'll be giving away the beautiful Perfect Rouge Shiseido lipstick in travel size. So make sure to share the channel with your friends and family and stay tuned for more details. Thank you again for your support, and we look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.